vestibular system, the one that tells you where you are in space, can have a dramatic effect on chronic neck tightness. It fascinates me. I've been a chiropractor for about 20 years, and I've seen a whole lot of neck issues. It's one of the areas I've specialized in my entire life. And one of those things that just, it blows my mind when I can take a cloth with some lines in it and run it sideways, and I can change somebody's posture and their perception of where they are in space. See, your vestibular system controls a lot of the muscle movements, and it gets feedback from where you are, from your feet up through your spinal cord, where your position is when you turn your head side to side, up and down. And there's a lot of different ways to test that and to see where you perceive yourself to be in space. But more importantly, your body anticipates where it is going. And so if your body is always feeling like it's spinning to the right, then your brain's going to coordinate and activate muscles that are going to act like you're turning to the left. And if you have that, these muscles right up here that are called your suboccipitals, they're going to stay chronically tight in anticipation that you're going to be turning your eyes and looking that way. And so, and instead of going in there and necessarily realigning the vertebra and doing some work on these levels right through here, we can go and use real specific access points. There are ways to address with eye movements. There's ways to put your head in different positions and then have the body tilt one way or the other and move you through to help clear up some of these vestibular inputs into your system. So it's just one of those things that I find so very fascinating, which is like, if you've lived with chronic tightness, chronic pain, and just have not gotten results or reliefs, there are a lot of different sensory input and different mechanisms to get into your brain to help rebalance and redistribute it where that is. If you have questions and you're having this chronic dizziness, you're having long-term issues with neck pain, please reach out to me and let me see if it's something I can help you with.